again, guys. So if you are new to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we release any video, you get it on time. So in this tutorial, I want to show you guys how to acquire or get or find bug host for MTN. Okay, as you all know, without the bug host, it will be very difficult to create your own file or to create a VPN file. Okay, so here is this one info, and we talk about tech, everything related to tech. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's quickly jump into action. So we go to your browser, open it, then say there are a whole lot of websites out there. So you search for this website or this blog, this one info. Okay, then select the first one. This one is very easy to do. So here is love sports, no. Okay, then you scroll to the right side. So this is the website, and here they offer free VPN files already made, and I think they are all active. So if you want VPN files, maybe you can click on it. Then maybe it will display advert over. So VPN 1 GB, 1 gig for 400 and all that, but you are not interested in that. So you want to get the bug host. So you scroll to your right, then come and click on bug host generator 2. So click on it. It will take you to where you generate it. You scroll down. So this is the bug host. I think it's for only Ghana. So you select the country. The country is this. So you select the country this side. Okay, so let's click on it. Then you choose Ghana. Okay, choose Ghana. Then you come and click on generate bug host. Click on it. Okay, so after clicking on it, the bug hosts will be generated. So these are the bug hosts. I think they are not, or this is not also. When you scroll down, you see a lot of them down there. So these are the bug hosts. So any of them that you want, you can just click, hold and copy like this. Then you choose copy. Okay, you choose copy. Good. So after copying, then you take it to this website. They have a tool that they use to convert the bug host to an IP. So you can find my IP address. Also find my IP address. But even you have a video about how to do it. So I'll leave this in the description. I'll leave the link in the description. Or better still, let's go to our YouTube channel, then find the link to that website, how to convert the bug host to an IP address. So let's search for the channel. So this info, I think it will be in the description. The link will be in the description. So where is it? Okay, I think it's this one. Let's check if the link is in the description. You are not interested. No. But what's the name of it? What's the name of the website? Oh, I can't find anything. Okay, so let's go and search for it. What is my IP address? What is my IP address? Okay, I think it's this one. Yes, it's this one. I've even visited this site before, but I've forgotten. Okay, so you're on the page, so you click on the three lines on your right, on your left side. This line, you click on it. Then you come and click on tools. Click on tools. This one, tools. Then you come to, let's scroll down. Okay, let's remove the ad. Click on tools. Then you click on host name. You click on this one. You click on this one. Host name lookup. Let's click on it. Wait. Good. So you paste the link that you copied, the barcodes. You paste it in this place. Then you click on lookup IP address. So let's paste the barcodes here. Paste. Okay. Then you click on lookup. Sorry. You click on lookup IP address. So you wait for it to load. Okay. So now we've converted the barcodes to an IP address, and there is it. There is the IP address, and there is the barcode. Like I said, we have a video on it, so I'll put the link to the video in the description. And this website, this is a genuine website, and this tutorial is for educational purposes. So don't use it against anybody. Don't use it for any illegal thing. I beg you. So guys, this is how to convert or how to find a barcode and how to convert it to an IP address. So in my next video, I'll show you how to input it in the VPN and create your own file. Like I say, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a new video, you get it on time. Share it with your friends. Thank you.